Hi, hello, what's up? Hope everyone are doing good. Welcome to my another new episode of Caring Arts, signing in by Sujit. As I had been to a breakfast ride previous week, I got late to upload a video in YouTube. It's nothing but I lost some of my footages which I recorded in my mobile, and I'm really feeling bad. I had did some creative and I put a lot of effort to do that, and all of a sudden when I finished my editing, some file was showing error. So when I opened my gallery and when I checked it, my all files were corrupted, and I really felt bad, and I thought not to upload this vlog. It will be perfect or good every time, every day. So what I thought, let me request you people, and let me share my issues so that you guys can understand, and you guys will support me for this. So I'm requesting and I'm pleasing you people. Next time in the next vlog, sure I will make my video more creative, more funny and more eye catchy. So this time please pardon me, and please watch this video till end, and you guys please show me some love by liking, sharing, subscribing, and even don't forget to comment, and please let me know. Not only the encouragement helps me, even my mistakes, and if there is any corrections, you guys can express through the comments so that I can improve my video in the next vlogs and make it better and better and better. Until next new video of travel vlog, please stay tuned and support me guys. Until then, see you.
Okay, so I left home. Now I need to go soon to meet my friend. I don't know whether he reached or not. As soon as we meet, we'll have some chai, and then we'll start our rides from 8 Mile. Okay, let's go. Okay, just now I met my friend near to the 8 Mile toll. Now we are moving towards Nice Road, and we'll take Mysore Road toll. We are going to Bhimeshwari Forest and Ganula Falls. So it's around 112 kilometers something from here. Approx it may take 2.5 hours. If you don't stop anywhere. He's having heavy load, man. See that? That auto is about to hit him. See how he's coming. Oh my God. Crazy fellow. Yeah, we reached Nice Road. Okay, for biker we need to go that side. I took a wrong road. Okay, thank you. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Actually, I got lost. One of my colleagues who is leading me, he moved away. I'm riding so slowly that I need to vlog. I think he is standing over there. He is standing over there waiting for me. Okay. So hardly within an hour we may reach our destination from here. And if road is cool and nice and without traffic, we'll reach soon. What kind of river is this one? It is garbage river, I think. Yeah, full of smelly rivers. It's a chemical waste. I think some industries are dumping their chemicals. Yes. He is leading and he is in very high josh. If I was keep on moving very fast, actually this kind of patchy road is going cool because that bike is meant for adventure. Oh, it was actually a speedy breaker. Due to this ABS, at certain speed, at certain limit, you are safe. See where he went. I need to keep on catching. That's the ultimate feeling here of the trip. I think this is Bangalore. This is somewhere out of the Bangalore. Because in Bangalore it's always cloudy. What I said, I did not observe that board. And this fellow is not telling anything about this ride. Means how many kilometers we'll have to ride. Oh my god, I'm getting so many potholes, man, and this fellow is going like crazy. Please go slow, yaar. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh. Lovely, lovely scenery. But this fellow is not at all going slow. We can enjoy ride by seeing those sceneries. You only need to ride, I think so. But according to me, riding is not only the passion, even seeing some places, enjoying its beauty and riding. That is a real pleasure of biking. I just love it. Don't think about time, as you left home early, so no matter at what time you reach your destination, so never ever race your time. Go slow, enjoy each and every moment, the scenic beauty of village. We need to be a bit disciplined while riding in village areas. In highways you can race like anything, no one will come and ask. Had a nature's call break and we had some electrolyte mixed water so that it keeps bit energy in body. Actually we are in Kanakpura road, and from here we have approximately 59 kilometers towards Bhimeshwari, but before that we are going to Ganalu Falls. I remember this place. When we off to the Mysore, we came to this place. This is Ramnagar. Horses! Woo! Very scenic. Actually, we came some internal village area. cool, clear sky. Wow, wow, look at this, man. What a beauty, man. Okay, we took some right from that beautiful roads, and now there is some small off-road session. It's a muddy road, and he is Gayab. He already went. Whenever you see off-road, whenever you see such roads, he will go in 80, 90. So from here he is telling it's only 3 kilometers. Where is the road here? View, man, nice view. Loved this place. Oh. They are getting afraid, man. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. Now doing some off-road. Bottom got touch. Nothing can do, right? We need to get used to such kind of roads, get practice, because once when we plan for Leh Ladakh, that roads will be 10 times more than this. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Oh, nice canal, but it's dirty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's really haunted place, man. Oh, no water, yaar. Look at this, man. Oh my god. What a steep. Reached Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. It's the main entrance of Bhimeshwari Forest. We just took some photos, videos of this beautiful river. Now we are heading towards Muttatti. Again we have some forest road till 2 to 3 kilometers, I think so. After that we'll go to Muttatti, and from Muttatti we'll go to home. Muttatti? Idena? Muttatti. Okay, this is the Muttatti temple, and actually we didn't plan about this temple, so we just came till here, and we'll return now. Time is around 10:50. It's still morning. That's what's the use of living early morning. Don't have time because due to lockdown we need to reach home before 5. So we don't have whole day to enjoy. Kanakpura, it's 36 kilometers. That's it.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, 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 엄마 내 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어. I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 이러다만 다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요. Let's be straight, enemies, match potato, cardio, terminate,